Good evening, everybody. I hope to be well and everything is good with everyone that who is watching me now. Today, I'm gonna talk about how to compare and contrast ideas in English. Let me talk about it. Okay, so how to compare in English. So let me study for the first one. Okay, so comparing and contrasting ideas is especially necessary for those preparing for professional exams or learning academic English. Moreover, if you're able to effectively compare ideas, it shows that you're an advanced speaker and able to use a wide range of complex grammar. So, every word is written already inside of me, in front of me. But I'm talking about all of that, and I'm reading all of that because if everyone want to improve pronunciations, so I'm talking about it to customize everyone who need to make pronunciation is good. Okay, so let me start for the first comparative thing. Then after comparative, I can use than with a phrase or clause. Like New York is bigger than London. The trip was more expensive than I had expected. Okay, like that. Pronoun directly after than has an object form. So everyone know what meaning of pronoun. And pronoun like he, she, it, his, her. These tools replace it instead of the subject. Like Ahmed, like Heba, like anyone have had a name already. So I'm using pronouns to express about all of them. Okay, so pronoun directly after than has the object form. Like, let me make an example. For instance, they played better than us. No wonder we lost. Okay, so. But if there is a verb after the pronoun, then the pronoun has a subject form. Like examples, they played better than we did. Okay? We can leave out than and the following phrase of clause if the meaning is clear without it. The film is good, but the book is much better than the film. Like that. You can use an adverb of degree before comparative or before that. Okay, so I'm gonna make a big lesson about adverbs and what the kinds of adverbs at all, but in another lesson. So let me continue in this lesson to finish all of things of comparative and superlative. Italy is much bigger than Korea, like that. Okay, so let me transfer and move on to the next one. Less and least. Less and least are the opposites of more and the most and most. Let me take an example. This task is less complex, more simple than you might think. Okay? So also I'm going to talk about what are the modal verb later. May, might, would, can, could. All of that, I'm going to talk about all of this and what time we can use all of this. Okay, so let me back again. It's the least complex, the most simple explanation of what happened. Okay? So we use less with both long and short adjectives. Also, I'm talking about adjective later. What is the adjective if you don't know? So, it's cheaper, it's less expensive, it's more expensive, it's less cheap. Okay, so the next one as and so as. We use as and as. Okay, with a positive statement to say things are equal. My brother is as tall as me. My sister is as tall as my mother. Okay, you can use as in idiomatic phrases like this. As hard as iron, it's meaning very hard. Okay, I'm talking about something with specifically big. Okay, so as light as fritter. Okay, very light. Okay, so in a negative sentence statement you can. I'm sorry, in a negative statement, okay, you can use either as, or so as. We can use so as, it's so realistic, it does make sense. Okay, I don't drink as so much wine as you do. I don't drink so much wine as you do, which means I drink less wine than you do. So easy. Okay, as and so, we use also this with the second part of the comparison. After as, you can use a further clause. I will call you back as quickly as possible. A pronoun directly after as has the object form. Jack is very tall. My brother is not as tall as him. Next example. Okay, I'm sorry if when I'm talking quickly, but I want to declare all of this correctly, and I'm talking about like native speaker. So, but if there is a verb to the pronoun, then a pronoun has a subject form. Jack is very tall. My brother is not as my brother is as tall as he is. You can leave out as the following clauses. Okay, so easy. You can leave out as in the following phrasal clauses. The meaning is clear without it. I like the old coach. The new one isn't so comfortable as the old one. Okay, the two using of as and so as if we are talking about negative statement. Okay, so the second one, even plus comparative. We can use even before comparative. Okay, the new house will be even bigger than the present one, but that's not changing the meaning of the verb. I'm sorry, that's not changing the meaning of the phrase. The same. You can use even before comparative. Okay, the same meaning. He is even taller than me. She's even shorter than her girlfriend or her girl or her friend, whatever. So the same meaning. Okay, so the next one, comparative with and. When I'm talking about and to express continuing a change like that, the tree grow taller and taller. The air is getting more and more polluted. Okay, so I'm gonna try to talk about something more and more over and over. So two comparative between it and to express about continuing change. Okay, the second one, the next one, ever plus comparative. Ever plus comparative also express of continued change. The same. Ever and. The tree grew ever taller. Not like even plus comparative. Okay? Don't be confused, man. Comparative with that and that. We use this verb pattern with that and that to say that change in one thing is linked to change in another. Like example, the longer the journey is, the more expensive the ticket. Don't use it. I'm not talking about that with a superlative, with only comparative. Okay, so the next one, after the superlative, let me talk about the superlative, like that plus most or biggest. We can use the adjective plus est, not er like comparative. Okay, we often use a phrase of time or place or relative clause, which is the biggest city in the world. It's the most wonderful book I have ever read. Okay, so so easy to talk about it. Okay, so easily by far plus superlative. We can use easily and by far before superlative. Like this is by far the shortest way to get there. Not that the stays next to superlative. You can also make comparisons with same, like, similar, and different. I've got phone like yours. Okay, so easy. Okay, this is my lesson today. I hope to be well. I hope to understand everything that I'm talking about it. Okay, so goodbye for now and see you later. Next time I'm gonna talk about something is new like adjective and adverb. So see you later and goodbye. Also, I hope to have a wonderful day. Bye.